how you can earn money on Zora app. It's a simple and quick process, so let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and install and open Zora application. Log in with your email address and password. And once logged in, you'll be on the main page, that is home page. And to earn money, you can go to your profile by tapping the icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, tap on the plus icon or tap on make your first post if you haven't already. Enter the amount you want to add and you can pay with a card or add funds from your wallet. Choose your preferred option, allow you to receive payments. And after adding funds, tap on the icon, select make your first post, hold to activate the bottom of the screen. Select the photo or video that you want to post or any video content that you want to sell on the platform. And after selecting your content, enter a title for your post. You can also write caption or add a ticker. Let's go ahead and set it to $2 and tap on done, which is highlighted in white color, and then tap on post. If they like your content, once posted, people can view your content. And if they like your content, they can purchase it at the price you've set. You'll also receive the payment in the account you added earlier. And you can also share the link to your post on social medias to increase its visibility and potentially boost sales. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.